And hello guys, okay, let's go to the yellow slide with my friends called Ate Mika and Ate Marichu. So let's go. Okay, so make sure to like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs. We're going with Ate Mika,
Hello.
and Ate Marichu. Oh, that's loud. Guys, it's so loud. You can even hear it. Sorry about that. Alright guys, make sure to subscribe. Swimming tayo. Okay, let's go. Make sure like and subscribe to DJ Vlogs for more summer trips like this.
You're gonna bring your sleepers?
Huh?
You're gonna bring your sleepers?
No. I'm not gonna bring the sleepers. Why?
No, I was just asking.
Before we go to the yellow slide, first we have to go to the friends that they're going. This is Ate Mika and this is Ate Marichu. So today we're going, before we're going to the yellow slide, but first of all, we will just enjoy with Ate Mika and Ate Marichu.
Okay, let's go na.
Okay guys.
Dito na tayo, DJ?
Okay guys, hold up guys. Shout out guys. Cameraman, you are the cameraman. Don't forget, do not arrange it.
Yan, ganyan.
Okay. Okay guys.
Dapat ganito.
Ha?
Ganito dapat.
Ganyan dapat kasi.
Dapat ganyan no, ganun dapat. Ay, sorry.
Okay, hold up guys. Go to that video, okay? Go to that video, okay?